All right, guys. Good morning. Happy New Year. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back once again. Now that it doesn't look like I have anybody here yet. I don't know how my sound sounds. I will turn this down in my ear. I will make sure that all of this is good. Regardless of who here, we're going to trade the best way we know how. Let me see. Okay, let me see. Yeah, that's good enough. That's good enough. That's good enough. Okay, so let's see. What do we got here? What do we got here? What do we got here? If anybody is there, please let me know if this sound is coming through okay. I haven't streamed in what feels like 4 months, so obviously some things may have gotten a little wonky there. So, yeah, we will see. Oh my gosh! Sir Secker is back. 37. I appreciate the kind words, sir. I really do. Just a humble guy trying to get it done. Trying to get it done. But do I sound okay? Haven't done this in a while. Haven't done this in a minute. Haven't done this in a minute. Let me see. So the first thing we're gonna do, I don't think I set my settings for today. So let's do that. Save, and we're gonna block. I don't think I'm good right there. 450 liquidate and block. We're gonna do that. And 450. We're gonna block that. Save, and we're gonna lock that out. And I will be copy trading these two accounts today. So I'll get into that in 1 second though. No need to rush. No need to rush. All right, guys, good to see you. Hey man, same here, Sucker. Same here. I'm doing pretty well. Doing pretty well. Obviously had to take a little bit of break from the streaming. Take a little bit of break from the trading altogether. Not too long for the trading itself. I still traded, but I just didn't stream. So I'm pretty sure you're pretty sure you see me in the Twitter space. So yeah, I just had to give streaming a break. There's a lot of pressure right there, but I am back and I'm ready to keep myself accountable once again. Here to keep myself accountable once again. So this is a lot of I don't know right now. I'm gonna keep my eyes on the higher time frame. We have this huge, absolutely huge meteoric gap that we're filling right now. And we just filled it. So now the question is, do we want to continue up or down? Kind of reacted off of that hourly bullish engulfing right there. And went down, worked all the way up, but then we rejected really hard. So it's kind of 50-50 for me right now. I don't want to really set a hard bias. I don't even want to go in with too much risk at the moment. So just bobbing and weaving with the market, seeing what this new year wants to do. So trying to get in tune with the market. So risk is definitely going to be off for today. I'll probably be playing with some extreme baby size today. So there is that. I do believe we have 10 a.m. news. Let me see. Yep, we have some 10 a.m. news. So we'll probably just wait for that. So how much millions you earned during your lost time? Ha! I actually received one payout. I got one payout. Not too much. I just took out 1,200 from both of these accounts right here. So nothing too major. Nothing too major. In fact, I could go back to it. Actually, I had a really good December. Yeah, December was pretty good. December treated me really well. December always treats me well every single year. I'm not too sure why it does, but I find that I'm a little bit calmer at the end of the year. And I decided to call it right here because it's like, you know what, this is Christmas. And this is New Year. So like, yeah, man, we could take a 2-week break, like godly. So yeah, we are back skis. So I'm waiting for these accounts to unlock in a couple seconds so I can hurry up and copy trade. They got 10 seconds. Yeah, that should be done by the time I get there. So lead account. I kind of want the bigger number to be the leader, just so I can see it. I don't think it'll allow me to do that for some reason. I don't know why. This account is currently on. Let me see. It's not 45. Hurry up. All right, accounts are officially unlocked. I am free to do damage. If this thing will hurry up and let me copy trade, I can copy my accounts. Oh, right, I gotta do it the opposite way. Hold up, guys, I hate it when it does that. So you have the smaller account be the leader. Why? I don't know. It shouldn't really fucking matter, but hey, it is what it is. Save that right there. Enable copy trader. Boom, bow. Bigger account's not the leader. The smaller one is. That's fine. Okay, so it kind of looks like that we're having an SBS right now, honestly. So I'm kind of late to this move right here. Oh my gosh, yeah, with the bullish engulfing, I slept on that. Damn, yeah. Oh, wrong way. Hey, it is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is. Yeah. It is what it is. It is what it is. So this could have been like your little SBS right here. Bang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's kind of juicy, honestly. There'll be another one. There will be another one. There will be another one. Yeah, I kind of want to take this up a little bit. Oh yeah. Let's see if it can give us an entry. I'll think about hopping in, but I don't think it's going to give it to us. This was a really beautiful entry right there. Look at that little fair value gap test right there. Even though I don't like to play those, but it was there. This is too high in that range right here for me. If it comes back down here somewhere, I'll think about it. But if it goes, it goes. If it goes, it goes, guys. If it goes, it goes. Keeping in mind, we do have news in a couple minutes as well. So gotta be careful of that. A little bit of rejection right there. Think about hopping in on this real quick. A little baby size. These rejections are kind of weird though. Yeah, I'm gonna hop in 2 micros right there. Just 2 micros, just 2 micros. Okay, maybe she faked me out here. I think she may have faked me out here, guys. Oh yeah, she did. Wow, look at that. Ouch. Down $100. Down $100. Money Glitch, what's up? Good to see you. I may try this again if it gives me an opportunity to. Or maybe I should wait for 10 a.m. news. That rejection was kind of weird right there. Rejection was really weird right there, guys. Not gonna lie. Yeah. Yeah, not too mad at that one. This rejection here is kind of crazy, though. Maybe I'm off sides. Who knows? Everything kind of says that we want to push back up, though. If we start breaking back to the upside, I'll think about it. There we go. I'll think about it again. Or it could be a short day. So what will make me feel a little bit better if we start closing above here on the 20. It's the only thing that'll make me feel kind of better here.
Order filled.
Add one more there. Something about this market that doesn't feel right. I'm gonna start protecting risk right here. We're not really budging again. I want to stay to the long side of this. I also don't want to get wicked out. I took one L already. Okay. All right, guys. Might gotta be on hands. Might gotta be on hands. Not sure what's happening here. Oh, yikes. Living and dying by one candle here. Maybe the higher time frame is against me here. I'm thinking about hopping out and waiting for news, to be honest. Yeah, really thinking about. All right, I need a closure above here to. There we go. All right, guys, she's giving me enough to take some off. Hold up, wait a minute.
Order filled.
All right, cool. She gave me enough for break even right there. I'm gonna hold the rest for a new high. Gonna hold the rest for a new high right there, guys. This price action is really wishy-washy right now. So if she wants to do it, I mean, I'm here for it, but you know, I'm not about to sit here for painful price action. There we go. That's that new high. I'm gonna break even completely right there. And if she comes back to BE, I'll just take it. So sticking to moving with the market here, guys. Sticking to moving, sticking to moving. There shouldn't be too much of a reason to retrace. And if she retraces, she'll probably wick me out and then like continue back up. That'll be fine. But in a situation like that, I gotta secure a break-even day. So that's that retracement. I'm gonna give it a little bit of wiggle room here. I don't want to see her come back anymore. There we go. Top 7 come with new payout policy. I heard about that. I'm not too sure what exactly it means, but I'm just going to do my due diligence to be the best trader I can be. I'm getting out of this. I'm getting out of that, guys. I'm going to wait for 10 a.m. Wait for 10 a.m. I'm not going to play around with this, so we'll see what it does. I'm pretty sure that's my break. That would be my break even right there. Ooh, taps into that little fair value gap right there. Pushes back up. No, we could take the $40 for today. Definitely would have got hit at BE right there. Yep. And now we wait, guys. Now we wait. This would have been a beautiful start if I would have been a little bit down here, but I guess I'm a little bit rusty. Something told me, because I think you guys saw me mark up this box right here, right? And I still didn't wait for it. So that's kind of my bad. So there is that. Did I do it to myself again? Did it go up? You think we're gonna make a new high here, guys? Let's look at the 5 minute. Bullish engulfing. I can't enter right before news though. It does look pretty good. If I wanted to enter, I probably would try something like this. Real tight stop loss. Thanks to this bullish engulfing right here. Our first little signal that we want to push up. Yeah, the first little signal that we want to push up. But once again, I've done the SBS thing with the 10 a.m. news, and I just don't like messing with trades before 10 a.m. news. I mean, the price will definitely start to smooth out. We took 1L and price gave it back to us. I mean, that's good enough, That's good enough. In fact, she gave us more than what we asked for that first trade. Yeah, so now I am waiting and I am watching. I am waiting and I'm watching. I'm waiting and I'm watching. Yeah, that's why I wanted to take that off. It's New Year's, beginning of the year, all that good stuff. So let's just be patient, enjoy the vibes, and let's see what the rest of the day brings. Low key, kind of bullish for the short term. We got this cross here on the 15-minute, kind of a powerful sign. Hourly says that it may want to push up a little bit more as well. We're not getting those closures below the moving averages here, so I'm going to remain bullish until price tells me that I'm wrong. If you make $2,000 on your account, request a payout of $1,000. Then on your second payout, your account balance must not fall below $1,000. Otherwise, you will not be able to request another payout. As long as they don't, that kind of sucks. But as long as they don't close the account for that rule, I think I'm okay with it. Let's just call it what it is. It's a tactic to save a little bit more money and to weed out traders that's just sim farming. But it's prop firms is a company. The only way they make money is when we lose. So there is that. Always that to keep in mind. 2026, I'm trying to make this my last year with prop firms. Well, maybe not my last year, but I'm trying to make it so that I have a live account that I can trade, because trading with prop firms is okay to get your feet wet and learn, I always say this, I say this all the time on Twitter. Prop firms are there for you to learn expensive lessons for cheap. These account sizes that we blow, could you imagine blowing $2,000 every single time you blow like a combine or something like that? So in that light, prop firms are great. But after you learn yourself, the rules, your strategy, how you want to do things, you become more disciplined as a trader. Prop firms become a little bit more of a hindrance than what's the opposite of hindrance, guys? Than a positive, in my personal opinion. I still think they're great, but it is a double-edged sword and can work against you for the undisciplined. And that's what they prey on. Excuse me. That's what they prey on. They prey on the undisciplined to be undisciplined. So now we got price kind of bobbing and weaving through the moving averages. 10 a.m. news is probably about to show us something in a second. So definitely on hands, not dealing with this choppy chop nonsense right here. Kind of want to move outside of this. So green on the day. Wish my positioning was a little bit better, but it is what it is. Probably going with another 2 micro lot for whatever the next trade is. Volume is pretty high. Volume is pretty decent there. All right, 10 a.m. news in right now. I don't trust it. I should trust it, but I don't. Yeah, there we go. It's pushing up now. Still not messing with it, guys. Still not messing with it. Not right now. New hourly candle is formed. I need to put in Stoic's CST into my trading. Just haven't. It's just so it's so new. I haven't really gotten into it yet. But I do like having ranges on my chart. I used to do orb, so now maybe CST can replace that. I'm glad I didn't answer right there. I'd literally be crying right now. I don't think this area is gonna hold, but we'll see. Very wishy-washy at the moment. Very wishy-washy. Yeah, we'll like an entry in this white box now. Yeah, I would like an entry somewhere in this white box now. All right, I'm gonna hop in there, guys. I'll hop in there. If it starts looking ugly, then I'm a bail. All right, I officially don't want to see that come back now, so we will break the evens. Oh man, I'm nervous. That's what it is. A little bit on the nervous side here, guys. Aye, there it is.
Order filled.
Okay, yep. That's fine too, I suppose. What is price doing? Did I not give it enough room? Yeah, I think that's what it was. Okay. All right. Gonna wait for a little bit of confirmation here, guys. But kind of got wicked out of my other position there. Kind of got wicked out of my last position there. That's kind of annoying. Should have gave it a little bit of room to breathe, but it's okay. But 15 minutes says that this want to push up now. And I think we're about to get a pop in a second. I think buyer's about to win this. Kind of sucks I'm not with them, but it's all right. Lost a couple dollars there. And yep, there's that pop. Couldn't time it correctly. Yeah. Okay, guys, taking a couple stabs here. Looks like my entries aren't the best. Yeah, it looks like that my entries aren't the best right now. Still green on the day, but kind of annoying action right here. Kind of annoying action. Let's just still be in this trade thanks to these lows, but price was kind of wiki, weeding out the undisciplined. Yeah, weeding out the undisciplined. All right, guys. It looks like we're good to go higher. I think Bull's about to take control of this thing. I think bulls are about to take control of this thing. I'm not really seeing nothing that could get me back into this. So, hey, if you bought these lows right here, congratulations. I just can't enter off at TP1 of the range. That wick at break even. Yeah, I was afraid to lose. And yeah, scary money don't make money. Another lesson. So this is probably about to take off. Yeah, guys, couldn't catch it today. If we get some type of retracement into this 5-minute candle, I'll think about it. Kind of like that. Let's see. Is there anything that can get me in here, honestly? Don't want to just buy it. One, two, 3, 4, 5. Let's see if we can fit in where, squeeze in somewhere. Kind of wanted a better retracement than that. There we go.
Order filled.
I'm gonna take one right there. That's still $50, golly. See if we can make a new high here. Safest stop would be here. A little high on this one, but believing in the 5-minute engulfing in this 1 minute, 30-second SBS. Wouldn't want to see it below this. All right, adding into that. All right, I want to see this 5-minute candle flip up now. Now the real question is, can we get a blow off top for a new high? Blow off top would be lovely. We'll love a blow off top. We're at that first move origin here. Looks like she's respecting it a little bit too. Trying my best not to choke this, but I need her to not respect whoever's selling right here. Just need her to not respect whoever is selling. All right, that was a little greedy on that position. A little greedy there. I think this is gonna once again stop me out. Add one right there just to see. Moment of truth. A little high here, but I think we have a little bit more juice to the upside. All right, guys, it was a little greedy there, chasing trades. So, yeah, if we can survive this one, if we can push up from here, we're good. If not, then it looks like we're coming down. Maybe I'm wanting too much by expecting a new high right here. I think that's the real problem. Price doesn't have to make a new high. I usually don't wait for it. I'm literally waiting for like a blow off top. It's like people are trying to sell this right now, and I'm kind of in my own way, so to speak. Kind of believe in the trade. And there it goes. All right, gonna get stopped out here, guys. Ah, man, rough morning. Rough morning. There she goes, just playing with my heart once again. Living and dying by the 1 minute. Living and dying by the 1 minute. Think about getting out of this one. Don't want to, but the better entry for this would be down here somewhere where I would just be chilling. But this is making me think that she wants to pop down violently. Collect some more orders for it to push back up. I kind of just don't want to take a loss right there. I think that's the real problem. I don't want to lose. I don't want to lose, but at the same time, I want to be better and stick to my trade. There we go. So nice little pop right there. Instant rejection. My good. Okay, yep, I'm out. I'm out of that. I'm not dealing with that. Not at this level. No, sir. No, sir. So probably break even right there, guys. Break even again. Huh. Rough market. So I'm gonna take a little break right there, guys. That's kind of annoying. Obviously, I'm rusty. Jesus. I hope you guys are having a better time than I am. I hope you guys are having a better time than I am. Send you a video of me watching the video. Hey, yeah, remember that. Appreciate that. Yeah, that made me feel warm and fuzzy inside. It really did. Appreciate that. I really do. I'm sorry, so I can't really pronounce your name, but I'm gonna say 1577. 1577. Appreciate that, man. Appreciate that. So guys, it's still early. I'm kinda thinking I'm gonna take the BE here. Kind of a bad performance here. Saw the move, just didn't want to play because of 10 a.m. news beforehand. Then after 10 a.m. got this little retracement right here. Didn't really expect this level to hold as well as it did. I wanted to never punch back into this white box. This is a 5-minute move origin. 5-minute zone. That would have been the better play right there. But yeah, just didn't want to. Me not wanting to lose today got in the way. Yeah, me not wanting to lose got in the way today. And you combine that with a little bit of little wish-washy price action. You know, kind of a recipe for disaster. So I'm expecting this to make a new high, but I couldn't sit through that. How's everybody else doing? How is everyone else doing? I hope you guys are doing or faring a little bit better than I am. Kind of living and dying by the 1 minute. It's kind of a bad habit. Gave me a beautiful SBS right here. Just didn't have the nuts to hold it. It is what it is. And I don't think there's another trade for me here, so there is that. Yeah, talk about having the right direction, but still taking break evens and small wins there. Yeah. Green is green though, up $40. Yeah, I started longing highs, and this was just a harder trade. This was my little 30-second SBS here. 5-minute engulfing, retracing to this candle, just couldn't hold it. Here's another 5-minute engulfing, but this is way too high. This is way too high, way too high, way too high, way too high. Like, I would love a blow off top. We're still technically underneath that 200 moving average. Like, this could, this could flip bear at any moment. This could flip bear at any moment. Yeah, a little bit of retracement here. Yeah, not too much to do here, guys. I would need some type of retracement at this level. All signs are still pointing upwards, though. Let me see, is there an SBS here? Not really. Just a small little retracement. Yeah, I refuse to kind of chase this one, to be honest. But this, if you wanted to play another one, you probably could have did something like this on the 5-minute. Now that we're starting to get that flip once again on the 5. It's just not for me. We're a little high in this range here. Yeah, nice deep retracement right there. But will she give it back? That's the real question. And I'd rather not have an entry here than here than here than here than ultimately here at the last second. So. Nice closure there on the 5. Nice closure there on the 5. A little boring today. A little boring today. like sellers are engaging right now. Like sellers are finally engaging with the market. Let's see how far they take this. Yeah, glad I didn't enter up this high in this range, man. Look at these 5-minute wicks though, guys. Look at the 5-minute. My goodness. Let me look at gold or something. Man, gold doesn't look that bad, honestly. This was 9:30. Huh. Looking at the gold, I finally added gold into my rotation since NQ was being difficult. Not really seeing anything on gold at the moment, but first glance, would like to be bullish. We're closing above the 200 moving average there. Huge, absolutely huge supply zone we're tapping here. So we'll see. We'll see. And we got that new high. Finally got that new high. Look how hard she made us work for it. Golly. So not feeling too bad here, but man. Man. Finally got that new high after all of that. Let's see, at 10 a.m. So here's my entry right here. Here's the golden entry right here. And they really give you another one until right here. Let me see, 10:01 though. I did the right thing there though. Not entering at 10:01 at 10 a.m. news. I mean, yeah, be kind to yourself, day trader. Let me put that out. Be kind to yourself, day trader. Yeah, be kinder to yourself. So be ease all around. Anyway, how'd you guys do? I'm pretty sure somebody nailed those longs there. Just had the nut. I didn't have the nuts to hold it. I'm pretty sure one of y'all did. Yep, familiar issue of me not wanting to lose. Costed me profits today. don't think there's no opportunity on gold just yet. This structure doesn't look all that great for longs right now. It really doesn't. I mean, you could say this, but I don't like how we didn't have a 1, 2, 3 tap. It just looks like that we're trying to rotate lower for right now. So I kind of don't want to mess with gold. I've been through this action before with gold, and I kind of don't want to do it. We're hitting the supply zone, like I said earlier. This could start to want to make new lows right here. We might have an opportunity somewhere right here. Yeah, somewhere right here. But it's a harder trade. But I'm gonna look at it though. Let's see what we want to do. Kind of need the estimates to be a little bit tighter on gold for long. So we'll let gold cook. NQ is probably making new highs still. Yes, indeed. And I don't want to rush it, don't want to force it, just want the trade to come to me. But I'm glad I had the right read here on NQ. Glad I had the right read. It's just that, man, it was just so ugly getting up there. Like, that was something. That was something. All right, where is my music? Where'd my music go? I didn't want to do that. All right, hold up, guys. Not sure where my music went, but let me get it back. What happened? Oh, there we go. I just couldn't hear it. Oh, we're still playing. All right, NQ is done for me. New highs, new highs, new highs, new highs. Beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Gotta get better though, guys. I gotta get better. I should be in that trade right there. I don't know about gold. It really does look like gold wants to keep punching down with the swiftness, with the violence. I will love along, but just gotta prove it first. Let me see what's my hourly say. Closing above 200, supply zone. Market doesn't really seem like it's enthusiastic to go anywhere. Look at this nonsense for New York. Now, how in the world does Asia in every other session look so much better than New York? New York. Oh, Inky, are you going back to this again? We're going back to chop chop, will she, won't she during New York. And I got to focus on another asset. Cause look at this. Look at this. I wanted this again. I wanted this beautiful movement again, and this is what we get. It's kind of been a running theme for NQ lately. Bullish engulfing right here would be nice on gold. How much time is left? Nah, it's 4 minutes. Ugh. And though the sizer for gold is probably nuts. I'm gonna place a dummy trade here on my on a dead combine, which is basically a practice account. I want to get a gauge for the size on gold.
Order
So I
filled.
went long right there. Oh, size not too bad on gold. Okay, might be able to do 3 micros or something like that.
Order filled.
Yeah, might be able to do about 3 micros on gold if I decide to engage. Don't want to right now though. Let's see what we do at this little zone right here. This could be like a support turns into resistance type deal. It's very possible. It's very possible. Alright guys, I'm thinking about gold longs right here. It's just that the structure isn't really the best. So being very careful here, not trying not to jump the gun here with gold. Gold tends to let me know you're wrong, and then if you try and fight it, gold will just continue to let you know that you're wrong. So the smartest thing to do would be to at least wait for closures above here, above the 20 moving average on the 32nd at the very least. So try not to just hop into this one. I do like this zone though. I do like this zone. But she has to prove it. Kind of sort of a 1 minute SBS for me here on NQ. Could be a little bit better. Cool. This could be another one for NQ. I'm a little gun shy right now. I don't want to be sitting here taking any and everything. About to form a bearish engulfing here on the 5 minute on NQ, which would suggest we may want to look for short opportunities. Think about gold longs here, guys. Think about gold longs here. Thinking about gold longs here. Or NQ buys as well. Decisions, right? Decisions. Might give gold a shot. Let me look at NQ one last time. NQ was kind of doing what I wanted her to do. Look at that. I don't like that bearish engulfing we just formed after taking that high though. So this could flip right back down. So NQ's not looking all that favorable to me. Gold. I mean, it's cheap, you know? It's cheap. The real question is, am I begging for a trade here? Still no confirmation that we're ready yet. I bet NQ is probably, oh, let's see, like that. This is what I would have been afraid of right here. It looks like that we're about to respect this bearish engulfing and flip and rotate a little bit lower. I'm gonna keep my eyes off NQ. But gold doesn't look too much better. Gold does not look too much better. Yeah, still no confirmation on gold yet. I kind of like this though. Kind of like that this trend line needs to get swept. Gotta show me something gold. All right, I kind of like that. Finally got that closure above. Stops at this low. And I want to see gold run it.
Order filled.
All right, that's the trade right there, guys. Let's see if gold wants to come back up to these levels here. Without doing a whole bunch of nonsense, right? Closure above here on the 1 minute would make me feel fuzzy inside. Doesn't look too bad. Want a little bit more speed though. Not bad. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Now gold, don't do the thing you usually do. Just give me a little bit more before I decide to take some of you off. Because that's what gold likes to do. She likes to fake you out of positions. Beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Can we get a little bit more? I'm gonna break even right there. Let me take 2 right there. And I'm gonna secure that illustrious winning day right there. Cool. All right, guys, that's the trade. That's the trade. This is my last one for the day. Last trade of the day, last trade of the day, last trade of the day. I might be choking this, but it is what it is. It is what it is at this point, guys. I'm not expecting a new high, but I do want to secure some profits on the way up. Yep. That's gold's doing that thing again. That's a bullish engulfing, though. We give it a little bit of room. Just a little bit. Yeah. Yeah, gold. Come on. Push back up for daddy. My music stopped. Oh, no. What happened? Push back up. Let my position survive. Don't you do it, gold. You have more in you. Let me see, 6, 7, 6, 6, 7. Jeez, I did the thing. I gotta secure that 150, guys. I gotta do it. There we go. Now just push on up. No need to come back, right? Beautiful. One more push gold. Good stuff. Nice. Beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. All right, I'm gonna do that right there. Secure 15 bucks. All right, guys, this is gonna do it for me. If this comes back to BE, then, you know, I'm out. Kind of want to take my 75 bucks and run, but hey, we got the bullish engulfing here. We got the magnet tool out. I would love to take it off, but everything, I got to start leaving runners from my position. I got to learn to let my runners actually win. I've been doing really badly with that. So if it comes back, that would really suck because it shouldn't come back. But it is what it is at this point, guys. It looks like she's coming back. I'm going to try not to get faked out here. I'm going to hold. I'm going to hold. We're either getting 14 or we're getting 200 here, guys. I am not letting this one go. Taking my little screenshots, and it looks like that my runner may get hit here. We kind of did all the business we needed to, so there is that.
Order filled.
There we go. Okay, guys, that's gonna do it for me. Base hit, base hit, base hit, base hit, base hit. Go to my chat here. Switched over to gold. Yeah, guys, kind of sucked that the runner came back, but we kind of did everything we needed to do there. So I'm thinking about locking my account, to be honest, but I'll hang out with you guys for a second. Sorry, guys, I'm probably typing in your ear. That's my bad. Anyway, sound off, chat. How y'all doing? End of your day, green, red, blue, BEs. How we feeling? Sound off, chat. I hope we're doing well. I hope we're doing well. I hope we're doing well. I'm so glad personally, I'm really glad I recorded this session. I'm really glad I recorded this session. Check out those willies a little bit. I think I did pretty good with trying to hold positions. But man, this right here, I feel I kind of did the right thing by, just trying to get out of it, honestly. Because look at this. Bing, bow, bing, bow, bing, bow. This would have been your actual entry here at 10:01. And I'm not doing that because of news. Bow, little SBS right here. But we danced around here for like what feels like a half an hour. So I had my entry like right here. 10:12. Yeah, guys, it was just rough on NQ today. Okay, Cup God, Happy New Year, Happy New Year, Happy New Year. Glad to see you, man. Glad to see you. Glad to see you. So I kind of technically I hit my my personal winning day. I'm just trying to. I have a new philosophy for these accounts. I'm really just trying to live in these accounts for right now. Like it's no reason to really try and like bang it out. Like a couple of these every single week. You know what I mean? Like that's really all you can ask for. So I'm locking my account. I'm not dealing with this. I'm done for today. Let me see. 2351. I like that number. But yeah, guys, I'm gonna hang out for a couple more seconds. And I'm getting out of here. Your boy actually got some stuff to do today, like cook food so I don't starve. Look at that reaction there from gold from the SMAs. Beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, so all gold really did was just come back to kind of test this area right here. I just didn't have the gumption to hold for that. I would have thought that, hey, we hit like this little gap right here. And technically we respected it and pushed right back up. So yeah, it's Monday, It's Monday. We're on base. You can't really ask for too much more than that. Did pretty well here. Let me look at the big. Yeah, this is the big account. Can't really ask for too much more than that. 9 trades, not too bad. Let me look at the curve here. So I was down 109, and took some little steps back up. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it at all. Yeah, Cub God. I'll let you guys know my streaming schedule, because I'll be honest with you, I don't think I'm gonna do this every single day. I'm gonna trade every day, but I don't think I'm gonna stream it every single day, just to give myself like a little bit of a mental break and trade by myself. But I do like the accountability here. That's the thing. I love it how I'm a little bit more calm, a little bit more reserved, and less gunslinger when I'm streaming, because it's people can see it. It's a mental thing. So I'm gonna stream most of my sessions, but I can't guarantee I'm going to stream every single session. So there's that. Friday streams would be cool to go over the week. Yeah, I mean, yeah. You know what? That's a good point, because I don't like to trade on Fridays anyway. So especially if I go green the entire week. Like, so let's say if all this is green, then yeah, Friday I'm chilling. I'm chilling on Friday. So I am 3 days away from securing another payout. I would like to get those 3 days by Thursday. That'd be swell, honestly. Just to take out another payout. That'd be beautiful. That would be beautiful. But yeah, base hit, base hit, base hit, base hit, base hit, base hit. Let me look at my executions here. Yeah, the rest of this came back to BE, and I had my stop somewhere down here. Ooh, man, that RR is not the best. That RR is not the best. But it is what it is. It is what it is. Make that a little bit so that people can see in the chatty chat that I do actually trade. I take my own trades, guys. I do trade. We do trade. We do trade. Keeping size small, guys. Keeping size small. No need to bang it out. Sorry guys, let me mute you. I don't want to type in your ear, my bad. Hey guys, so yeah, I'm calling it right here. That's gonna do it for me. My account is locked. I have no way to trade even if I wanted to. Be careful today, man. I don't know what's going on. It seems like we're going back to that mid 2025. Is decent for every other session except for NQ. Except for New York. Look at that. Look at that. Like we were pretty smooth up until the open, and then we start getting all choppy. So please be careful. It's the beginning of the year, new plan, new discipline, or new discipline, same plan, I would say. So keep it smooth, guys, keep it smooth. But I am out. I will see you guys here tomorrow, most likely. If I'm not here tomorrow, I'm probably trading by myself, but most likely I'll come back and stream for my people. So yeah, take care, guys. Don't be a degenerate, please. Don't be a degenerate. It's one of those days.